Wi-Fi network on Philips TV. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you how to set up the Wi-Fi network on your Philips smart TV. Quick and easy process, guys. So let's go. First step is grab your remote control and click on this option up here, Settings. This gear icon here, click on it. Here you'll have some options like screensaver, inputs, picture, sound. What we want is Wi-Fi, right? Click here then, guys. Click here to go to the right side, scroll down and choose the Wi-Fi option. Click the OK button, the middle button, OK. Here the available networks will appear, folks. Just choose your network, press it and enter the password. It's connecting and done, guys. Connected to the Wi-Fi network. Did it work? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. That's it from me. Big hug. God bless. Thanks.